My name is Hans Kraskes. I'm from Agraflug Helilift, Bell CSF in Germany, and I'm the maintenance manager and airworthiness manager of our company. I'm working as long with Bell as I'm working as long with Agraflug Helilift. So we're 37 years already with Bell, always stay with Bell because I just like it. It's more my professional part and the hobby, and it's my life already. The very positive key points of the product Bell helicopter is the reliability, and that comes together with the support of spare parts from the supply center. Mainly we're working with the Amsterdam supply center. That is just superb how that works in communication, in providing of parts in time. And all this together, if even we have open questions sometimes and we raise them to the product support engineering, they answer within 24 hours. We always have support, and together with all our experience that we have, together makes Bell for us really as a match winner. Service of Bell is great. We're getting quick response on product support engineering that makes the whole product of Bell really great compared to other manufacturers. It's easy really to maintain the Bell helicopters at the end for us and also to provide the service to the client. Yeah, Agraflug has a very close relationship to RBL, to the Bell approved blade repair shop in the UK. And so we send our blades to RBL in the UK, what's not too far away, or RBL is coming to us, they're doing the repair in our facility, we're doing the repairs with them together. They have a very good knowledge of the blades, they do very well, and it's just a good and close relationship with them in terms of quality and getting the blades and the helicopter airworthy again. So all our clients, if they asked us to come in the field, to come to them in their facility, we from our side, we have sheet metal experts, we have avionic experts, we have long-term experienced engineers on type, and we always can send a repair team out to help, to support. And RBL is exactly doing the same. They're helping us in Germany, or they're helping our clients outside in Europe and outside Europe if necessary. So that works. That is a big advantage really for our clients, for the Bell clients. So we at Agraflug, we really always asking for feedbacks from our clients. We always want to know what we can do better, where are their needs. We always try to fulfill our client needs as good as possible. We always ask them where we can improve, and in the summary, over a couple of years, we just improve for our clients, and we see a lot of very satisfied clients all around us in our network.